Alright, hey, what's up guys? So I'm about to do my first ever probiotic enema, and so I'm using the Genestra brand probiotic, and I got it all set up, and I'll put some music to it of me setting it up and stuff. But I'm gonna do the probiotic enema. I'm gonna inject it into my underside, into the dark side where all the demons are, all the dark critters, all the bad bacteria in my colon, and hopefully it'll go well. I'm going to use this, I don't have any coconut oil with me right now, so I'm going to use this castor oil as the lubricant. But I have this little thing prepared, and I hope you like the lighting. It's kind of crazy. I'm in my closet. I've been doing some moving stuff around, and so I'm a little bit more set up now, and I kind of like this little closet space. But anyways, I'm going to use this little syringe thing, and I already have the water in here, distilled water, and the probiotic powder is all mixed up in here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and I'll report back either tonight or probably tomorrow and tell you how I feel. And yeah, so let's get into it, or let's get it into me. And yeah, the reason why I'm going to be doing this is to introduce beneficial microorganisms into my colon directly, because through stool tests and just my own experience, I have overgrown bad bugs in my colon and probably still in my small intestines, and so I want to introduce good bacteria directly from the bottom end instead of through my mouth, through the top end. Because I've never done it before, and it's been on my list of things to do, and I haven't done it yet, so I want to finally do it. And alright, I just did it, and I feel kind of tired, like I literally just did it. And it's kind of, there's some like squirty, gurgly sounds happening, but now I just feel like going to bed. So I'm gonna clean up and go to bed. But I'm trying to like roll on my back and roll around and get it to like go all in my colon. Get it to get up all in there. Get all up in there. Just hope I don't have to like release it. I don't know if I did too much water. I probably should have researched it a little bit more before I did it. Alright, it is the next morning after the probiotic enema, and I definitely felt more relaxed after I did it in the moment, and there was some like gurgling, watery sounds going on down there. And then I woke up this morning. I slept good. Woke up this morning and had a kind of funky bowel movement, which was, I mean, ever since I've switched my diet and have been including a lot more meat, my bowel movements have not been as pleasant. I feel after doing the enema with the probiotics in it, I maybe feel a sliver bit more relaxed. But there's not really too much that I notice besides maybe feeling a little bit more relaxed. And so I'm probably going to keep experimenting with this. I want to keep doing probiotic enemas, and one thing that I need to look up is how much water to use, and also it's probably better to do it after I do have a bowel movement, so there's not anything in that location where I'm putting it into. And so that's something I need to look into. But it was just, whenever I've read about it, or when I was talking about it with my naturopath, he kind of recommended doing it at night. And I usually go to the bathroom number 2 in the mornings. And so I don't know if I want to do it in the mornings, but maybe I will. I'll just have to see how things go. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. There was nothing crazy bad that happened. Nothing crazy good, nothing crazy bad. I don't feel that much different. Maybe, like I said, a sliver bit more relaxed, but overall it wasn't really that big of a deal. And I'll probably do some more in the future, but I'll just talk about it instead of make a full video about it. And I'm going to be making a video sometime soon about my experience on a full ketogenic diet, because it's been over 2 weeks now that I've been strictly eating keto, and there's some stuff to share for sure. So keep tuned for that. Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, be sure to like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. And I just woke up, which is not. Bye. I'll show you my room right now. So we got this little closet room, and oh god, and there's a window out there, and you can get on the roof. But then there's this little closet that I'm in right now, and I kind of like it. I got this little light going on, and I'll bring the light with me here, and then we go into my room. Oh god. Then we got my desk, and then that's the main door. That's where we just were in there. And then I just brought this rug in here, and then I just brought this poster, and then this alien thing, and then I brought this standing desk. And yeah, that's my room. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.